Again, sorry about the noise. Just trying to give you the best view I can, which is not always easy because they are active birds. There you can see Jack's trying to get active already. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather, so yeah. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Please leave a thumbs up. We're only out here trying. These are a little addition to the family. My support. So a lot of people like seeing them in action, so we just give them their little time. Again, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. This is a food adventure cultural channel, so it's basically anything you could think of. These pretty little babies are just a addition to the family, and sorry about that, babies. Since they're part of the family, we add them to the program. There you go, brother. Sorry about that. My bad. My bad. Ready? Gonna sing for the world. Let's go. Jill, you're gonna start off. Jill is the green one. Jack, you're gonna be the tenor. Ready? Neighbors caroling. Oh, 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 oh. Jingle bells and Noel. That's when it snows and that's how I know that Santa is on his way like a pirate. I hold neighbors caroling. Oh, 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 that's jingle bells and Noel. That's when it snows and that's how I know that Santa is on his way like a pirate. I hold neighbors caroling. The fish are the lights, neighbors caroling. Oh, 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 jingle bells and Noel. That's when it snows and that's how I know that Santa is on his way. Like a pirate, I always caroling. Oh, 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 jingle bells and Noel. That's when it snows and that's how I know that Santa is on his way. Like a pirate, I owe neighbors caroling. Oh, 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 jingle bells, Noel. At least that's how you put it, right? Folks, over here, Jack and Jill, duo, duet. right? We did it.